Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add background color or fill color to a circle using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a circle. I'll add fill color to this shape. First you select tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this comment option. Now select your shape and click this color option, and here you will find this gear option. Click here and this shape overshape dialog box open, and click appearance option, and here you will find this fill color option. Now select here any fill color and see this. In this you can add fill color. Select OK, and again I will do another circle and show you, and click right button for properties, and this background color, this one, this is the border color, yeah, this is, and when I select OK, and select this file option, save or save as PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.